This is elevator number 2, the South Amboy train station in South Amboy, New Jersey. Gotta love that cowbell. It needs more cowbell. Well, ooh. Yes. This one's a bit slower than the other ones. I think there's a different speed on this one. Here's your cab view. Basic transit style elevator. Definitely one of the nicer ones I've seen. Definitely one of the cleanest. I think these are always clean. Yeah, it needs more cowbell. Does anyone need it? There's the elevator we were just on. That's to the tracks. See? Atlantic elevator. Well, this gives you a good view of the north track, or that's headed north. Can't get enough of that cowbell. This thing runs very smoothly for a train station elevator. I must say, I really do like these elevators, and these are actually nice transit style elevators. Very nice. I wonder what that's for, like attendance service or something. Wonder if these buttons do anything. Oh yeah, it does have attendance service, see? £2,600. Very interesting. This elevator and that one both have 2,600 pound capacities. The one with the 90-degree angle rear door has a 3,000 pound capacity. Let's listen to that cowbell.